very special connection with FLDP. The story goes back to 2014. It was 7th of October 2014. I was lying in an ICU due to a very fatal road accident which I had met in the previous week. During the same time, I was also preparing for CAT and other aptitude exam. And due to this incident, my dream to pursue higher education was shattered. So what happened 7 years down the line on the very same day? It was 7th of October 2021. I get a communication from HR that I have been selected for FLDP, that too from IIM Ahmedabad. So right from that day, I have never considered FLDP something less than the much coveted program of IIM, that is TGP and TGPX program. So for me, it is equivalent. So right from that day, I have given commitment to myself that I will give best to it. I don't know what will be the outcome, but the journey, the process, the learning is in my control. So I will give maximum of my efforts and apply the concepts wherever it is possible. In terms of my experience, I would like to touch upon 2-3 major points. First one, as both of you have covered, peer learning. So we bring more than 100 years of experience in the classroom. People from various functions who have got diverse experience, they bring their experience in the classroom. And especially in the syndicate room, where we brainstorm, we discuss with each other, we have difference of opinion, we clash, but ultimately we come to a consensus. That is the essence of group learning. So I can say that when we come together, when we interact, we put our different perspectives. So that in that way I can say that when we come together, 1 plus 1 does not remain 2, it becomes 11. Another aspect I would like to touch would be, once we go back to our routine life, staying connected with each other becomes damn difficult. So for that, we have come up with something called FLDP refresher session, wherein we meet on Teams at least once or twice in a week. We try to clear our doubts. We, bridge the gap into our learning and whatever we have learned in the classroom. We also prepare for the upcoming module. So that way we get an opportunity to stay connected with what we have learned, because after this module we will have a gap of 1 or 2 months. Another initiative which we have taken is reading. Reading is the most important skill which will be required in FLDP, because you will have to go through lengthy case studies. So we have come up with the initiative of book review, wherein we read a book, we summarize and present in front of the cohort, mostly on a weekend, on Sundays. So that way we are not only encouraging the reading skills, but also giving individual an opportunity to present in front of audience. So in short, I am trying to say that whatever efforts are required to complement FLDP needs to be taken. Like I myself have joined Toastmaster Club. It's a speakers community where you get an opportunity to enhance and sharpen your learning skills. If you are trying to focus and manage your mental state, so that way you can practice a mindfulness technique. I am a student of Vipassana meditation since last 10 years. So whatever is required to complement needs to be taken from our end. So that is our responsibility. Last area I would like to touch is the learning which we get from the faculties. So I can say that they don't only show us the solution method. That's a part. वो तो कोई भी कर सकता है. The best part is what technique is required to derive at that solution that is taught, and that remains it with us, and that can be applied to the real world also. When we come back, we are able to relate to the real world. I come from supply chain, that's a distinct from the business and how project works, but still I am able to relate to subjects like cost management, accounts, finance, macroeconomics into what I am doing. So that's the best example of what the tagline of this great institute says, that Vidya Vinyogat Vikas. That when we apply our knowledge, when we apply our learnings, only then development happens, only then progress happens. So for this, I am really thankful to the management for giving me this opportunity, and thank you to the faculties also. All the very best. Thank you.